Okay, love.
Okay, so this will be kind of like part 2. We replaced the paddle, and some people commented that probably what happened was this tore up the paddle, which I'm sure is what happened. And this broke because I jammed it in a big chunk of ice. So we finally got the new part, and we're going to put it on. If I can work scissors without injuring myself. I guess I should first. You didn't show what those screws look like. So these are just the little screws I'm taking out. Those will all come out. This one won't. So instead of wandering off, I brought a wrench this time, love.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
You know,
Less editing for me.
less editing for you and less standing around and waiting for you. Trying to be a better husband.
You're a wonderful husband. Oh, you got little bolts that came with it.
You got a different setup.
Huh. Hope they match.
So,
Yeah, looks pretty close.
I mean, I'm gonna suspect it's an improved design, which is fine, except that I'm gonna have to hand tighten all these because I didn't bring the socket.
Didn't know because we hadn't opened it yet.
Nope. They are self-locking nuts, and they have a washer that I left off the first one.
Oh.
And as is my policy, I snugged the one down just a little bit to kind of keep things from moving around too much. I am going to
Then you go back and tighten them all.
get them all started first and then tighten them. Yes, what you said.
That was just 5 bolts.
Yes, just 5. The bolts have a molded flat part that locks in to the scraper blade, keep it from turning. There it goes.
Okay.
Alright. Washer. Oh,
What went in the crack?
it dropped where it was just inches from falling all the way down to the floor and disappearing forever.
Oh.
And this is not our main snowblower. You've seen our other video, the bigger one that we use out front. I use this one mostly just for clearing the snow away from the grill out on the back porch. And there's a spot where the water runs off the roof when it melts, forms a big thing of ice back there. So I will not
Be hitting that next year. This
be
year.
trying to use this to clear it.
Right.
So I don't know if you want to show those and how it works and looks.
That looks nice. All
It
right.
fits down in here. You look. You want
Don't walk so funny.
to? Those just pull down,
Oh, okay.
and so it'll just scoop and throw, and
All right.
all ready.
All right. Thanks for watching.